Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the original landowners have vehemently submitted that in fact while determining the compensation for the land acquired under both the notifications, the High Court has not considered the other sale deeds except Exhibit P43 and P44. Stop. It is submitted that if other sale deeds would have been considered and the development in the surrounding areas would have been considered, the amount of compensation awarded by the High Court can be said to be on the lower side. Stop. It is submitted that as it is a case of compulsory acquisition, the landowners are entitled to the just compensation on the basis of the fair market value. Stop. Reliance is placed on the decisions of this court in the cases of General Manager Oil and learned counsel appearing on behalf of the original landowners have relied upon the sale deeds produced as Exhibit P4 of village Badh Malik and Badh Khalsa in support of their submission that in October 2005 and in the year 2006 the market value of the land was much higher. Stop. Making above submissions, it is prayed to dismiss the present appeals. Stop. We have heard learned counsel for the respective parties at length. Stop. We have gone through the impugned common judgment and order passed by the High Court in detail and have also considered the reasoning given by the High Court by assessing and determining the compensation. Stop. At the outset, it is required to be noted that in the present case, the lands were acquired of villages Badh Malik, Pritampura and Rasoi in district Sonipat, Haryana, which were all agricultural lands and acquired for the purpose of industrial area 39 Sonipat. Stop. It is also required to be noted that as such the time gap between the two notifications would be approximately 1 year 9 months. Stop. However, it is required to be noted that the acquisition with respect to the land situated at villages Badh Malik and Pritampura came to be acquired initially wide notification dated 13/8/2004 and thereafter from time to time the notifications were issued and the lands came to be acquired for different public purposes. Stop. At this stage, it is required to be noted that even while remanding the matter to the however, in the present case, the lands acquired are for the expansion of industrial area sector 39 Sonipat and therefore the amount of compensation assessed and determined for the land acquired wide notification required of very villages Pritampura and Rasoi can be said to be the governing factor even while determining the compensation for the land acquired wide notification, as under both the notifications the lands acquired are for the same public purpose, namely development of industrial sector 39 Sonipat, Haryana. Stop. The present appeals are partly allowed to the aforesaid extent. Stop. However, in the facts and circumstances of the case, there shall be no order as to costs. Stop. insofar as the land acquired wide notification dated 5/3/2007 is concerned, the impugned common judgment are disappointed with the High Court. Stop.